What's up, dirt people? Thanks for watching and thanks for coming back. For good reason, when you look up the Chevrolet Performance air intake and the American Expedition vehicle snorkel, you quickly find out that they're not supposed to be compatible. But with little effort and some arts and craft inspiration, we're going to show you how to make it work. So let's get into it. Chevy air intake, AEV snorkel, love child install. Okay, so the snorkel. It just goes right there, it inserts through there, and then it runs inside. And then it comes out here through the bottom. I basically got to take it apart for you guys to see. See down there? That's where the air feeds into that box. And this cold air intake is like this all the way around, but there's no backing. And there's holes in the like in the fender well right here. Obviously, this is the finished product, so I'll walk you through it. It's just a 1 foot by 1 foot square pad of rubber, and then, I don't know if it's a proper name, but insulating foil. And it's the same material that's on the inside of the air box. And the way I have it set up now is kind of comparable to stock as far as puddle jumping, if you like that stuff. I'm gonna show you guys later what tools you need to make it completely airtight and take full advantage of that snorkel. However, I do not recommend that, but let's get into it.
Where's the snorkel goes into right there, right?
Yeah.
And this other box is open, right?
Yeah. So look, I'll show you, it's super easy. It mounts up. I don't know how nobody's done it before. No one's shown how it's done before. It's super easy.
Does that thing come off?
No, all you gotta do, watch. Well, my screw? Oh, there. I told you, fool.
That you break them all.
I break all my sensors.
And my apologies for the background noise. This is the day we installed Junior's bump stops and some other stuff for Hector's truck. So they're here, they're gonna help out, but this is a one-man job. And again, I'm sorry for the grinder. AEV does a good job of reverse engineering, so the inlet that goes into the air box from the snorkel, it's just like the stock one, so the same thing, just push it out of the way. So now we're just gonna mock up the new air box just so I can know how much material I need to cut.
But yeah, look. Yeah, it just kind of goes in like that.
So I see what you're saying. So you're just gonna make a pattern cover with the hole.
Yeah.
The rest of the hole.
Yeah. But hold
You
on.
should try running it without it.
What do you mean without it?
Yeah, it gets that little bit of extra air. Because it's made to have the whole air come in from that hole.
That's true, huh?
Yeah, you should try running it like that and see how it runs.
It'll just get extra air, huh?
Yeah, to see how it runs. If it's cool.
Yeah, you're right.
Because it's supposed to be just that big ass hole.
But no. Okay, here's the thing though. I want to make it airtight so that I can still use the snorkel.
So it's actually. But you're still using the snorkel. Right?
Yeah, but if it's not covered, water will run in through there. So I can still use it as a snorkel, not just clean air.
Got it. Because you're going into the swamp.
Yeah. Dick. Whatever.
Yeah, I know.
But that's kind of the point, yeah. No, you're right. For desert running, that's perfect. Just leave it like that. It'll work. But yeah, if you actually want to use it as a snorkel, you got to seal it up.
Got it. And SEAL Team Zr2.
Hector's right in making fun of me based on how we drive. It's good to go just like that, but I want more protection for when we go through a puddle a little too hard. But if you don't care about any of that, you're basically done. All you gotta do is take off the little rubber insert bushing things from the stock box and put them in the new one and slap it all together and you're good to go.
Oh, I'm lazy now.
What happened? The pencil? Nah.
Paper or marker or something?
I might have a pen in the front, like in the middle.
Pretty simple stuff here. Just basically cut a pattern of the rubber around the opening of the air box. Probably ½ an inch is good enough. You can go as much of an inch. It's really not critical. Just depends how clean of a job you want to do. Just don't go too flush. You do want some of the material spilling out and protruding.
Did you turn around and do it again? What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm working out so you can cut it.
Oh, motherfucker.
Working with the professional here, dude.
You okay?
The guy put a jack right there.
Where to cut it in here? Yeah, see? Oh, so just the bottom, very bottom corner.
No, you're good.
I think this goes like this. Oh, did you move it? Oh, it goes like that, right?
Yeah, it goes like that.
All right. Oh, ya vali madres. Oh, no, that's good. I just needed a little bit of backing, not a whole lot. I guess right there. Oh, that's sweet.
Arts and crafts,
Oh.
off-road style.
This is Hobby Lobby status.
You want to know you're gay? Oh yeah, look at that. Like a glove.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Damn, that's good.
Try to lift the back. Yeah.
Yeah, see? And then this will be putting pressure in the front too. Yeah, once it's bolted down, it's good to go.
I got a clean up thing, but
Oh, you. Yeah, it fell. I don't think it fell all the way down though.
So now all you got to do is remove the sensor from the stock airbox lid and put it onto the new one. I made a mistake, thought it didn't fit. The screws for the new one are actually mounted already.
Oh, the new one comes with its own, but they don't fit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they do.
So with that radio, does it Bluetooth? I can match the ARV one? I had the ARV one.
Oh,
That's not gonna go in.
oh, there it goes. There it goes. Damn, boy, you trying to jinx me already?
Huh?
Huh? Yeah.
Who helped you, dude?
All right, we're good. Should turn on. Yeah, I can run through puddles with that, and I have that other tape.
Oh yeah, you can go through puddles, no problem.
No, but if I want to make it 100%
I have
like
some
tight.
tape.
Like
I
mine,
have some tape.
like even mine's open.
No, watch. I have this tape. Look. Yeah, they call it 100 mile an hour tape, patch tape. Yeah, but I really wanted to seal it up. It's aluminum tape. I use it to cover leaks on the roofs, on the walls. When forklifts put holes in, I just patch it up and paint it, spray paint it. Yeah, it's pretty similar.
Yeah, same thing.
Just clear and plastic. Yeah. Yeah, this is aluminum for like heat protection, like in this, because that'll eventually get eaten up.
So far since this install, we've got around 5,000 miles on it, done an oil change, everything. It's been running great.
No codes, but that'll change. Does it? You can't hear. Really? I can't tell.
So like I said, I wanted to wait a few thousand miles, see if you guys a proper report before sealing it up. with that tape. Look, I only put a little bit. You can see it in the corner. You'll see more. If you really wanted to seal it up, I would put some right here. You see how that wiggle, whatever, and then on the side you can see where it is. It just looks a bit low budget, but you could use whatever you want. Duct tape, it doesn't matter. It'll all work. You just need a little bit of help. But like I said, I'm gonna leave it like this just because I don't need it completely airtight. I'm not gonna do any deep submersions just because if you have any transmission problems, traction problems, even if your engine's fine, you're gonna get flood damage, so I'm cool. Also, between the cold air intake, the snorkel, and the Wraith off-road exhaust, I think it's time for a tune. We're leaning towards a trifecta tune. I'll let you guys know. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. Please subscribe, like, and share. By the way, we acquired this intake through Bala Off-Road. I'll put a link to where you can get these parts and all the people involved. And like always, thanks for watching. Keep your intake dry, keep building and learning about your truck, and of course, keep it dirty.